Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up respect and manners to each and everyone. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows a person hitting a person repeatedly. I do not know exactly where and when the video be recorded, but the video clearly shows when a person attacked someone and hit that person repeatedly. Now, based on some comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that some people wondered, why did the person attack and hit the person repeatedly? See? Now, sometime after I saw the video that had been posted on social media that shows a person hitting someone repeatedly, viewers and subscribers, I saw another video that had been posted on social media claiming that someone who I can hear talking in the video was talking about the situation where it said that a person attacked and hit a person repeatedly. Based on how the video had been posted on social media, and allegedly the person who you can hear talking in the video is said to be the person who had been beaten or hit repeatedly by someone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present the audio of the video to you so you can hear some words that the person said. Alright? Listen.
Hi, good morning, TikTok. Well, I guess majority of y'all wouldn't already know. My name is Isaiah Mutu. I am known by my social media name that was given to me by NCW, Mr. Miss. Now on Friday, an incident took place which I am sure everyone would have seen this video. It's been viral since I believe last night. I didn't want this particular video to become social media information or generally public information. I wanted to keep that to myself. I went around telling people that this here on my hand that I fell and I sprained my hand was sprained, but that was a lie. Now this person here who I'm making this video for, I thought that he and I were cool because I would buy him weed when he asked me to, twice, cigarettes, paper, and once something to drink. Now, for what he did to me Friday, did I expect that? No, I did not. Did I do him anything that Friday? I did not. I would call him Redo because I didn't know the guy's name, and I would make a little off jokes with him, but he would laugh at it now, right? When he attacked me, I have no memory period of the incident, none at all. I watched the video, but it still didn't register to me because I think actually I blacked out. And the person that came and helped me was a guy who works at the vegetable stall in St. James. I'm not going to call this person's name, but he helped me up. And when I came to, the first thing I asked him, I'm not going to lie, was my cell phone. Now, since video became public information, many people that I know, even my family, Jed, messaging me, asking me why I do about the situation, what I intend to do about the situation. I went to the police station Friday afterwards, St. James police station. I did not receive a receipt. I only got the receipt last night, which was Sunday night. I got the receipt Sunday night, right? Because I had to get a medical. I came Friday to get the medical in the St. James infirmary, but my brother came with me and he was very uneasy, so I had to leave, right? I guess the reason why he was uneasy because the length of time I had to wait for the medical, because in the infirmary Friday, Saturday was a lot of people in the infirmary on Saturday, so he couldn't wait. So I'm right now at the infirmary in St. James now, waiting for my medical. But the thing is, right, so the guy who was picture I have up right now, he said I suit him, but I don't remember suiting the guy, right? Most of you all would say that I did something to cause the guy to react the way that he reacted with me, but even if I did.
When I look at the video that shows when a person hit a person repeatedly or a certain amount of time, viewers and subscribers in, because when I say hitting, the person slap and kick the person and all them things, then the person had been hit to the point where the person fell to the ground and it's like the person never did move. But you know what? I like to know why the person does something like that. I like to hear that person's side of the story. You know what I mean? I not try to justify nothing, but I just like to hear that person's side of the story. You see? For real. Yeah, because I don't believe in violence, but I just would like to know and hear what that person have to say. Yeah, man. Now, I want to send a warning to each and every one. Be careful of what you buy to eat and be careful of what you buy to drink. Inspect them and be careful. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, and I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. And I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video. And I want you to pay close attention to some tiny things that you can see floating in a type of liquid or beverage that you can see inside of at least one bottle. Yeah, because I'm not sure how much bottle the person show in the video. I don't know what them little thing there. So my people, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright, and viewer discretion is advised for this video as well. Observe.
Untouched, Caribbean, unopened. What is them thing on them? What is them thing on them living thing on? Alright. Give me a next bottle. I'm not saying every bottle in above. What is this? What is them thing and I'm in the drink, dog? You can tell me what is them thing I'm in the drink? Them is full bottles, full case of Caribbean Rose. What is them thing I'm in the drink? What the f*** them thing I'm in the drink on them, boy? What the f*** is that? People drinking? Or like alcohol? Or like liquor?
You ever hear about manufacturer's fault? You know, like when something go wrong at the factory and might have put products out there that are bad products. Yes, I say sometimes when I see certain videos on social media and I see certain situations pertaining to certain products that have faults, I wonder if those things might have happened from the factory or so forth. So all them things that I have to think. Yes, I answer my people. Yeah, and please bear in mind that you have knockoff products too as well, too, you know. That I want another thing again. You know. Here I'm going to present another video to you. I want you to listen to some words that a person say in this video, and you can also tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that a person said in this video. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Jamaica gone to the dogs, brother. No, they up on TikTok I scroll through. All of you see one news story come up. Police confiscate over $200 million Jamaican out of counterfeit goods, clothing items, whatever. Cool? So that's what we call cheap and clean.
Yes, so matter
No,
about
if the police are really do all that
listen.
thing, I better they lock up all a bumbuckle at Jamaica and a father that. You understand me? Cause any idea cheap and clean run this. If you go do such a thing, just show that government a brother. That government is so top in a brother. And them same one give the people them the okay. Take the people them money off. When them are shipping them goods and then turn around back now and take back the last goods. You see, if you lock up people, lock up the 2.5 million people, them are the 3.5 million people in Jamaica. You can all away. Every single one away.
Listen.
Have a piece of cheap and clean. Have a piece of knockoff Adidas. Have a piece of knockoff Polo. Have a piece of knockoff Puma. Have a piece of knockoff something. First of all, you know money down here. Free we buy original, so I now expect we to take original as the consumer, and at the end of the day, cheap and clean. You know how much people that feed? You lock down that one channel there, and roughly 20 people lose them work just because they lock down the business place so they work at, you know. So 20 family that we don't know food, you know, brother. Just to show us how we not think about things and look on things as far as it can go, you know, bruv. We don't observe and we don't go in depth into things, not just to surf history. And the police them and the metro them will do it on a drunk crow. Uno is drunk crow. Cause at the end of the day, I could never be and take a oath to protect and serve and do something so messed up to poor people. Listen to me. We don't have no money for pay on a pay raise. A year I said 200 or 300% pay raise on a take for yourself. But on encourage people to come into it. Listen to me. We don't have money for pay a year. So on stop tax poor people a year. Cause we don't have it. Cause Andrew was going to push Jamaica to it and come like when 1880 all long. Or about to do a revolution. Revolution are going to take Jamaica if they continue. They stay there. Because right about now, this is messed up.
Well on.
I take food out of poor people mouth, brother. Andrew do better. Andrew do better.
Alright, now my people. Enough time I wonder how certain goods that are said to be counterfeit goods reach in a Jamaica. Because me know if you have facts say Jamaica don't have no factory and resources to make some of the so-called counterfeit goods them, you know. So how some of them reach in Jamaica, yeah? Notice me say some, you know. So how some of them goods they reach here? How some of them goods they reach here? And that me ask myself. A lot of times me just keep it to myself because me just don't want sound certain ways. But how? Them things that me think about my people. Some people, would I like you tell me what you think about those words that the person say in the video? You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with those words that the person said. And I real. Yes, I left it still in my people. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.